In order to ensure the reliability of electricity supply, state-owned electricity company PT PLN Indonesia Power has conducted a major overhaul on its power generating unit in Tanjung, Priok, North Jakarta.
The major overhaul inspection at Tanjung Priok power plant was conducted to ensure power supply reliability, efficiency, and operational safety, especially during high consumption periods such as Chinese New Year celebrations. The overhaul works carried out by PLN's maintenance business unit were needed to ensure continuity of electricity supply and to anticipate a surge in demand, and as well as to reduce risk of technical disruption that can affect community and industry activities. PLN's senior maintenance manager M. Ramon Mudman said that with the regular maintenance and the use of modern technology, the potential for disruption can be minimized so that the power plant can operate with maximum efficiency.
Agar peralatan pembangkit kita berjalan dengan baik selama operasi dan diharapkan tidak ada gangguan teknis yang cukup berarti. Dan hal itu menyebabkan menjaga pasokan listrik sepanjang tahun untuk menjamin kelangsungan dari energi listrik tersalurkan ke masyarakat.
Strategi yang kita terapkan adalah terkait dengan strategi pemeliharaan yang excellent. Nah, strategi ini adalah merupakan strategi yang bertujuan untuk memastikan keandalan unit, kemudian efisiensi, dan unit dapat beroperasi dengan optimal.
By implementing this overhaul excellent strategy, PLN Indonesia Power continues to maintain its commitment to supporting national energy sustainability, improving operational efficiency, and ensuring reliable electricity services for all customers. Through a comprehensive maintenance and the application of the latest technology, PLN Indonesia Power is ready to face future challenges in maintaining the reliability of Indonesia's electricity system.